Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create stunning AI videos from just text using CapCut X Dreamina. And the best part, it's 100% free and super easy. So what you need to do is just you need to have a CapCut account first, and then you can log in into Dreamina. You can go to this page, dreamina.capcut.com, and here you can see this is the explore homepage. So if you want to create videos, you can see this is the prompt box, so you can just describe the video that you want to create. Don't forget to change the category into AI video. In here you can choose the type of video and also the aspect ratio, and lastly the durations. So I'm going to just write cat flying window, say just like that, and you can just click on this one to create the video. As you guys can see, Dreamina will generate your videos, and you can just wait a few seconds. It depends on the durations that you want to create and also the type of the video. Let's just wait until the result is done. So this is the result. If you want to preview it, you can just click on the play button, and here you can see this is a cat flying out of a window. If you want to edit it more or you want to regenerate, you can just click on this one, and you can also edit the prompt again or delete the result. But if you want to download it, you can click on this arrow down to download the result. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.